Strange sounds persist into the 21st century worldwide, reported amidst the urban landscapes of cities. Japan reports eerie sounds resonating even in the skies above Tokyo, blending with the city's towering skyline. China continues to report strange sounds, prompting investigations into any correlation with seismic activity. Strange sounds often resemble the low rumble of dragons and the synthetic tones of a synthesizer. Scientists utilize seismic detection equipment to investigate any correlation between seismic activity and the reported strange sounds. While scientists seek solutions, phenomena like strange sounds remain one of Earth's mysteries, yet to be fully understood.